Hey everyone, Tim with Heritage Air. Let's bust another HVAC myth. Today's myth: air filters aren't that important. In reality, your filter is one of the most important parts of your system. A dirty filter restricts airflow, which can make your system work harder, reduce efficiency, and even sometimes cause your evaporator coil to freeze. It can also increase wear on components like your blower motor. Changing your filter regularly is one of the easiest ways to keep your system running properly. If you're in Midlothian or Ellis County and need help, give Heritage Air a call. You'll be glad you did.